How you can send a CamScanner PDF to your PC. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, open the CamScanner app on your phone. Now find the PDF file you want to send. Once the file is open, tap the Share button at the bottom. Then choose Share as PDF. After that, pick the option to Send to PC. So now CamScanner will give you some instructions. It will show you a website to open on your computer. Now go to your computer and open your internet browser. Type the web address it gave you. You'll see a QR code on your screen. Then go back to your phone and tap Scan QR code inside the CamScanner app. This will open your phone's camera. Now point the camera at the QR code on your computer screen. Once the code is scanned, CamScanner will send your PDF file to the computer. So on your computer, click Open. Then click the Download button at the top of the page. After that, choose a folder where you want to save the file on your PC. Now the PDF is downloaded and ready to use. And that's it. That's how you can send a CamScanner PDF to PC.